Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check a gold coin or a gold bar at home. Everybody wants to be sure the gold that they bought is legit and yeah, it's the real deal, right? So yeah, today we're gonna do a magnet test and we're gonna do a weight test. So for this you will need a earth magnet. This is also called a neodymium magnet. You can find this on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. And the other test is we're gonna weigh it. So let's begin with this American Buffalo. So you're gonna take the magnet. If it doesn't stick, that means it's real gold. But sometimes what the fake guys do, they fill it with tungsten, and tungsten is not attracted to the magnet. So because tungsten is not as dense as gold, so if they use tungsten, the coin is gonna be bigger in size and the diameters and the dimensions will not be the same. So that's how you can tell if it's a real or fake. Just take a scale and check the dimensions on Google and just measure your coin. And yeah, so as you can see, this is not attracted to the magnet, so that means yeah. So first test is pass, and the next we're gonna do is weigh it, and make sure your weigh machine is in troy ounces. All right, let's weigh it. So as you can see, it's exactly 1 ounce. So this coin passes the test. And now we have a 10-gram Lady Fontana from the Suisse. All right, let's check this. Doesn't attract. And this is 10 grams, so we're gonna convert it to grams. So this should register as 10 grams. 10 grams, there you go. It's a real deal. And now I recently bought this bar. This is a 2022 Australian Perth Mint bar. It's a dragon coin bar, and this one is 2022, and there are only 8,888 minted for 2022, so it's a pretty rare bar. So we're gonna check this now. Doesn't stick, so yeah, you know. So now we're gonna convert it to troy ounces. This should come as 1 troy ounce. There you go, perfect. All right, now you get the hang of it. This is the RCM 1 ounce gold bar. Same thing, doesn't stick. Now check the weight. 1 troy ounce, perfect. And now I have this. This is a 2022 gold Klondike coin, and I just bought it, so I don't want to get it out of the capsule. You know, guys, the guys who's tagged, they understand the new thing. They don't want to like, yeah, get it out. All right, so I'm just gonna do the magnet test for this. Yeah, so looks legit to me. Yeah, but you know how to do it. Just weigh it. It's gonna register 1 troy ounce, and that's how you do or check your gold at home. And there's one more thing you can do with the coins. There's an app in Play Store, so it's called the Ping Test. So you can download the app, it's free. And the thing you do is you just hold your coin and just ping it with a pencil or anything you want. And this app, what the app is gonna do, it's gonna like listen to the sound the coin makes, the frequency of it, and then it's gonna tell you if it's the real coin or not. Just check it out, it's a really cool app. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good night, guys.